What's up, everybody? Chili Two Wheel here. Monday night, man. Beautiful, beautiful evening. So I figured I'll do some video and do some riding, do some fishing. It's gonna be a little fun. Something a little different on the channel. Hope you guys like it. Hey guys, I just wanted to give you an update. Nobody's seen me for 2 or 3 weeks now. Since a little incident at Wade. My knee is getting better. I don't know if you can see that. You see the hump? Yeah. Still a little swollen. Getting a lot better though. You know, day by day, I guess. And man, I was a little rusty there for a while. I managed to get on the bike there yesterday and Saturday a little bit. Didn't really record, so I wanted to get just out and play on the bikes a little bit. And man, oh, it felt so good. I haven't been on the Z125 in like 2 weeks or 3 weeks. And then getting back on this thing in 2 weeks, you know, so dealing with flu. Yeah, I rode that one out a little too much. This old bridge. That is awesome. I don't know how old that one is. It's definitely old. Oh, there's some big fish down in there. Now we'll see if we can catch some. See if we catch some fish. Nothing that wanted to bite in that hole. Sucks. But we'll keep on going. See if we can get to another different spot. Maybe a better spot. You know, I should start doing all my vlogs in like announcer voice. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to your Friday night special with Chili Two Wheel right here coming at you live. I don't know. Woo! Is this out, people? Yeah. Let's go see if we can catch something, people. You know, it'd be funny if I could. I hope I do. So, oh, it looks promising. Looks like a nice spot. Probably not. I swear it looks like an alligator down there. Probably is. No, in the middle part. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's soft too. Whoa! What happened there? Okay. Malfunction. Mm-hmm. Yeah, kids, and I'm in shorts too. Yep, I'm out of shape. Yeah, kick it, dude, kick it. All right, guys, do you run 93 in your DRZ, or do you run 87 or 89? That's the next question. What gas grade do you run in your DRZ? Am I wasting money by putting 93 in? Let me know in the comments, please. I'm running out of space here. Ugh. I got too much junk in the trunk. Yeah. Getting too old for this thing. This thing's too tall. Okay. Full tank of gas. I don't think they knew what they're doing. Oh, they're still playing. Yeah, yeah. What? AJ. Come here. There. Now you're in the video. Because I've been fishing.
You going night fishing?
Already been fishing. Oh, it'll be on the video. Good job, guys.